Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Joanne here and I have a question for you all. Have you ever deep cleaned your hair tools? If you have, when was the last time you deep cleaned your hair tools? Let me know in the comment section. So in today's video, I share with you the reasons to deep clean your hair tools, especially if you want to promote hair growth, reduce hair loss, eliminate dandruff and itchy scalp. Keep watching if you want to see how to properly deep clean your hair tools. The first reason I'll be giving you all is product buildup can cause bacteria and fungus growth. That bacteria and fungus can be transferred to your hair, causing scalp infection and hair loss. So guys, now you already have reasons why you should definitely take your hair tools out and give them a good wash. You're supposed to be washing your hair tools at most twice a month if you can, or you can make it once a month, but it's really important that you treat your hair tools the way you treat your hair also, if you want to promote hair growth and reduce hair infections that causes itchy scalp and dandruff. So here I'll be using vinegar, white vinegar, and some baking soda. Then I'll be using shampoo. You can use any dish cleaner of your choice. Guys, the uses and benefits of baking soda is just endless. This white stuff right here is a lifesaver, I tell you guys. So now I'm pouring some hot water, just enough to ensure that it covers the combs and the tools. Pouring this already, you can already see how the color has changed. So now I'll just be covering it for some minutes until the water is warm enough for my hands. So now it's okay. You can see build up in the bowl. Then now I'll go ahead to use my brush to start washing them one after the other till I'm done. So guys, have you tried using this method in cleaning your brushes, your hair tools before? If you have, let me know in the comments. And also, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. On the YouTube space, I've seen a lot of videos on how to grow your hair, how to do this, how to do that and all, but I've not really seen videos on how to properly care for your hair tools, your brushes, your combs and hair tools generally. So I just had to make this video to also create awareness, the awareness that cleaning your tools, your hair tools, is very important, just as growing your hair or retaining length is and all that. I hope this video will be helpful to a lot of people out there, and if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoy content like this, also let me know in the comments so I can create more content like this. Now that I'm almost done washing, now I'm done, so I'm going ahead to take out the hair tools and it's ready to give it a good rinse. You guys, you can see the dirt in the water. I assure you that when you do this also, you see a lot of buildups and dirt in your water. You think that your brushes are not dirty or your combs are not dirty, but when you do this, guys, I assure you, you would see the difference. So now I'm giving it a quick rinse and I'll be doing that twice. So this is the first rinse. At this point, guys, I was already feeling myself, the results I was seeing. I was like, hey, I was like, my heart was just turning on yarn. Okay guys, I was just excited, but I had to still give it a second rinse, and after the second rinse I now spread it on the towel on the table and I allowed it to dry. And my brushes and combs were squeaky clean, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.